In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on eBay. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a package or simply want to check its progress, tracking your order on eBay is quick and straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to eBay's official website, so go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. Type in ebay.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. You'll need to enter your credentials here. That's your email or username and your password. If you have any trouble remembering your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Logging in is crucial because it grants you access to your personal account information, including your purchase history. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the eBay homepage. Next, you'll need to navigate to your purchase history, and there's a smart and easy way to do that. Move your cursor to the top right area of the page where you'll see a drop-down menu labeled My eBay. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. A menu will appear, providing you with a few options. From these, you'll want to click on Purchase History. This section is like your personal order archive. It organizes all of your recent purchases so you can manage and track them effectively. Upon clicking Purchase History, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all your recent orders. Here's where you can track any package you've ordered through eBay. You'll see a list of your items, each accompanied by a small thumbnail image, to help you quickly identify them. Underneath each item, you'll find the order details laid out clearly. Look for a link or button that says Track Package or something similar. Each item that's shipped to you will have this feature. Clicking it will show the most current tracking information available for your package. This may include where it was last scanned, its current location, and the estimated delivery date. Remember, tracking updates depend on the shipping carrier and the speed of their information updates, so there might be occasional delays in the information you see. Nevertheless, this feature is a quick way to ease your curiosity or concerns about your item's journey toward you. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have the peace of mind of knowing exactly where your order is along its journey. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to track your eBay orders. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping, and may all your packages arrive on time.